So this is a critical piece, whether you're doing due diligence on a property that you're going to be acquiring or a business that you're going to be acquiring, or if you are currently operating one and you're looking for ways to optimize and streamline, look for ways to save money on expenses and improve top line revenue. So I'm going to give you a practical application that you can use with ChatGPT. And I am using the O1 model. You'll notice that they regularly release newer, more powerful models. O1 and O3 are, I believe, the newest ones. And they use advanced reasoning. And the reason I like that is the smarter it gets, the more useful the answers are that it's going to give you. So I've got financials for one of my properties here, and ChatGPT doesn't always like the file format. If you just straight drag and drop and upload it in there, it may get confused. I do that for if I want it to analyze like an ebook, a PDF, or something like that. It can usually do pretty well with those, but when you're talking numbers and Excel, typically what I like to do is just grab all the numbers out of here, do a copy and paste into here. So first off, you want to start with, please review these financials. And then just straight up paste it in there, hit enter. And again, you can use this during due diligence or while you're operating a property. You can just ask it essentially different questions. So it's thinking, and you can tell with the newest model, as it reasons through what it's putting out for you, it's explaining how it's arriving at its conclusions. That's one of the unique properties of the newest AI model. So below is a high-level review and first pass commentary on the financials presented. So they talk about my gross potential rents, my loss to lease, that sort of thing. Vacancy losses, bad debts. Uh, for the longest time, we had almost no bad debt on this property, but we've had a spike in bad debt recently. I believe that's just kind of indicative of the local economy. But we are able to continue pushing rents on some of the units. Depends on different unit types. So it talks about our RUBS income. Every broker that we've talked to or lender that we've talked to says our RUBS is kind of low. But let's see what ChatGPT comes through here with. It talks about operating expenses. So this is all really cool. You can read through on your deal what it sees. But what we want is more insight into what are, let's say, five ways you believe we can lower our expenses.